Hi, my name is Mia Jung. My student number is like 101446598. This is my lab assignment one, and my lab professor is like Marziar Sochudian. So for now, I'm gonna like run the code. The first requirement I have to make a menu is like have to be a box like almost a half of my screen. So it's over here. It's gonna be like 5 lists. Create employee, create item, make purchase, own employee summary, and the last one is exit. So I'm gonna show you the code here. Like I'm gonna make a function for the run program. It's gonna I'm gonna put in a while loop, and until like it's gonna run forever until you press 5. You want to exit the program, it's gonna be exit. So it's gonna run like, for example, every time you run it, it's gonna show the menu, and the user input gonna input like the number they want, like for example from 1 to 5. For one, they're gonna like create employee. The second one like create the item. Third one is like make purchase, and also the fourth one is like own employee summary. So if they input like the different number or different like kind of like not match with this, it's gonna be like asked to input like a valid choice. So for now, it's come up to like create employee. Firstly, my code is gonna be like the employee manager. I make an employee list, so I gonna make like 2D array for to make like in a employee list. It's gonna be a list of like every single employee. So it's gonna be like array in array, right? So for now, when I create an employee, firstly I gotta check like ask the ID, like, and I get like a list. I have to like get a valid number. Like a valid number is like it's cannot be new. It's kind of like it's cannot be like an alphabet. It have to be a number. So and this one is like to check like if an employee is already have that ID number. So it's kind of like it have to be a unique ID. So it's kind of like the same number with the other employees. So you have to input like different number. The second one is name. It's gonna be new too, so it's gonna be new. So it's have to be like a name. Find my name, for example. Come up to like type. Employee type is have to be hourly or manager. It have to be one of these. It's cannot be like the other word. So I make another function to check that. Like for example, user input and the input, like it's gonna check like is empty or not, or is in a type or not. Like if it's in a type, it's gonna return the input. If it's not, it's gonna continue asking. You have to type the right way, the right one. So for example, like M, no, so have to be manager. It's working now. And the same for use word. I cannot like type the M. I just can like 12 or discount number like 1. So I'm gonna check like can it like check the unique ID and discount number or not. For example, if the rest 1 is like already exists, so it's have to be like 2, a name, sorry, a type, you work, and 1 if it's already exists, it cannot, so it's probably 2. So that's my create employee. So if you don't want, like, I'm gonna continue with the other function now. Is my create item page. I'm gonna press 2. When I create an item, I'm gonna predict number. Like I create like here. If it's like it's gonna check is a number or not. Like get valid number. If it's not a number, it's gonna be like the same as employee. So it's like this. So it has to be a number, and the name has to be like something name. Yeah. The cost gonna be like 12, 100, and if I want to add another one, it's gonna be like 2 M page 1000, 10,000. If I like create another one, like if it's the same with the one is cannot, so it's gonna be the different unique one, so it's gonna be like this one and the cost. So it's like that's my create item page. So it's have to be like it requires like, so it's have to be like unique, and the so it's have to be a number for item cost. Let me like is I have to check that the number cost too. Sorry, for the cost it have to be a number, so it's kind of, so it have to be like a specific number. So for now I keep continue like the next one, make purchase. For the third, this three one is gonna make purchase. It's gonna show a list to use, just choose this, and you just need to like enter a number you want to purchase. For example, like the employee number, like the one for one, and it's have to be like an item you want to purchase, like the first one, the quantity is gonna calculate. It's gonna show in question like the name of that person who want to buy. Like the total purchase is like 80 after discount, and the discount amount is like 20. So do you want to like buy another one? So yes. So for example, like the same person, and I make a second one, and I buy like 10 of them. So like the total purchase is like 99,820. And because like the discount amount cannot exceed 200, so it's not just 180 no matter what. So even like she have like a lot of percentage of discount, but it cannot reach over 200, so that's like just 180. So for now I gonna try this. Like if I press it wrong, like different yes or no, it's gonna be like have to input again. Yes, it's gonna be like the second person. For example, I keep trying to like the first person, and I buy another one, and he doesn't have any discount anymore because it's a seat 200. So for now it's like I don't buy it anymore. So it's gonna be like so employee summary page. So the first person who bought like, she bought like 10,000 for him, for herself, and the total discount will be like 200, and go to the main menu. Yes, and I saw the employee page. It's gonna be like this. If you want to send the program, it's gonna be yes. So that's its own. Or if you want to quit the program, it's like no. So it's like done for the program.